True Jamaican vibes fire read. I'm in the White House area, very close to White House Beach Club. November the 14th. I'm driving in this area after Hurricane Melissa affected Jamaica in many different parishes. Yeah man, so I'm in the Westmoreland area. Yeah man, in the beach club area, very close to the beach club. So indicate where you're watching from. This is your tour guide, Fire Reed. So I see where a lot of down power lines. Yeah man, so you can see the sign, White House Beach Club. Yes, my beautiful people. I go up in the rich neighborhood, I don't want to see what go on in the rich neighborhood them, you know? Yeah, man. Take a tour with your tour guide for your read. See what go on at them area White House. Wow. Oh my God. Tell us the road condition them. Oh, wow. Yeah, man. So this is a rich neighborhood in White House. Yeah, man. Take a view and see what go on. When you're in this area, you can overlook the sea. Oh man. So when you're in this area, you get a nice view. A lot of people affected in this area same way. Man, you have to be careful. There's some dangerous patrol in another area. Dangerous. So all the container turnover, guys. A lot of houses get damaged, man. People look upon the house that day. Look at the house top over there, so mess up. Mess up, man. I know a lot of people overseas want to see them place, you know, and a lot of people overseas don't really get a chance to come around and see what go on in them area. So just know me just show you what go on. That matters to me, you know, show people the people things, but people overseas want to see what go on for them area also. So I just take the time out, show people what go on in the area, you know. So manners and respect for the support. One love and one heart. Alright, bossy. So thanks for watching, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.